Welcome to StockMarketPending.com, home to the option trader during options expiration. We are market makers in this pit. We are selling $5, $10, $4, $1.10 move off of the low. High 7.35. That's a $3.35 wholesale entry. Once again, that's what we do. The equity slipped below that 1290, Mr. Plain. That's why the option, if that thing doesn't get momentum, you're going to have to sell the 490. And if it breaks on the chart lower, you're not getting out. And you're not walking away with money. And if these guys are going to undercut you, you go right back and do it. Okay, the bid back at 410. And that's the exit right here, folks. Ha ha. 90 penny move off the bottom. Okay. And if it doesn't close above, if it goes below 112, the option goes lower, just so people know. Now, back to the Baidu trade. This is the best trade that you've had off the bottom. It was there. And it was. They always will be. Just today, that's the price where the market was made. And I know that that market was made in that formula at that price. This is where the buyers felt a compelling need to get in the stock. And this is what I was talking about, the opening bell, is when that comes, they finally shook that thing all the way down. Closed at 73.18. He drops it to 72.46. Bounces it at $1. That's what we were talking about in pre-market market maker trading discussions at SMF. There it is. Ray, take profits on distrib. Okay, so we do have Rays in the trade. But once again, resume. Yeah, here's the distribution bar. Welcome to StockMarketPending.com. Options expiration week. Moves. This is the first move today out of all the videotapes that you've seen us trade today. The short was all the way down here, and they finally walked it off the bottom. Shorts came off the trade right there. And we're also looking at the bounce on First Solar that we've been trading feverishly. And huge bounce. There's the confirm bar above that pivot, that 10-minute flattened out. You haven't got a buy signal. Still got declining 20 minutes. But this is Apple. That Apple, let me know if it holds 253.10. That's Apple chart. Sorry on the tape, people. That's AAPL right here. Here's the bid. Here's the ask. Same kind of distribution bar that RIM is having. 3, 6, 9 breakout. Declining 20-minute period moving average means that the stocks are weak. Can't have that. Same thing here. Declining 20, got distribution bar. Look at both of them. Look at RIM. RIM finally had that good move, but there's distribution. Declining 20, stock goes weak. Declining 20, distribution bar. You can see on both charts, this one being RIM, this one being Apple, and this one being stock market funding. Ray just corrected me. This happens to be Baidu. We have a RIM trade going on with some other people, so I excuse, once again, forgive me. The only thing bullish about it is when you have these 20-minute moving averages declining, you're going to get these reversals, which are short sells every time. If I'm declining in the 20, I'm selling short. The bullish part about this Baidu is, yes, the 10-minute is rising. And the thing about it is the 20 minutes falling. So mathematically, the 20-minute down here must stop. It needs to hold 73.47. If it does, then that means that the pullback down here on a positive green bar off that support would be good for that trade. And here's the level 2 on Baidu so that everyone's not confused. There's the bid. Here's the ask. Have fun. Welcome to StockMarketPending.com. Right now, we're going to come back and let people visit the BIDU called Baidu. And its price action and the side of the SMF market maker trend is that you're getting these 3, 6, 9, 12, 15 bars breakdowns, just like you do. Like if you had a bull market, well, you'd have 15 up bars in 15 minutes or 3 minutes each. But this is where the money's printing right now. And potential double left is that we break here, and what would end up happening, so that people would know if they get triggered short, and you can get triggered short. Just remember, that was the left. What you're looking for is that was a shallow one there, but it doesn't matter. It also makes that support level weak in price action. And once again, let's go ahead and bring over the videotape. Okay, I got 51 by 56 pennies. And here's the thing, if he's going to slide the bid, that means that the bid who's acting there, a buyer, is really going to offer out and jump in front of that ask, and then they're going to sell down the price and walk the bid down. But we haven't seen that yet. Now we're 55 by 59 pennies. But what they've been doing is sliding the range down, sliding that bid and selling down that bid. Works great for short sells, especially as an SMF market maker. And you know, we don't care that it's in this direction. That's the way it wants to go. That means that the tops are lower, the buyers are not there. And we're working with where a market's going to be made in the actual penny bid and ask, SMF Pro Trader penny bid and ask. And that's in this level. Is that market going to be made? There could be a market, maybe it's made at 71, 75. And maybe there's a double left and a rollover in the short side. You'll find out if you look at the bid and the ask and the side of the tape where the money's printing and the minute period moving averages, but more importantly is in the SMF market maker platform, which is a market maker platform. And what does that mean? It's the SMF market maker trader platform. What does it do? It does a lot of nice things. It's already got price levels where markets will be made in its mathematical equation. And basically where markets fail is you need to take the move down, and where markets are made, you need to take them up and sell into the strength in an overall broad left shoulder market. And that is exactly what you have here. And you look to take the next move by being an SMF Pro, is that you're waiting for a sell through just like this over here. You got to get confirmation, and that would be a break point. It's called the SMF sell through right there. And that's how it is. And sliding the bid right here is the level 2. If I'm mathematically not working right, and our platform will tell us that we will go lower and that we need to be making this move down. If it's $1.20 down, 1,000 shares, 1,200, but say you only take 1,000 using the SMF market maker platform. And that's where we're at in the print, 47 by 54. It's getting a little wide. What you're looking for, are they really a buyer? They say they are, but bam, if they jump over there, they're a true seller. So you'll know that using our system, because the SMF platform actually deciphers the volume transaction through the buyer and the seller. And we have a mathematical volume analysis system that we designed over many years. And what it does, it'll tell us exactly where the public is, and that's part of our overall mathematical equation between market participants as far as dollar price transaction and or penny bid and ask range. And then the army of SMF traders learn using our training and management systems that we've created. We've created the management systems and management tools to better interact with you and the price and the market. And that's what SMF specializes in. Right here we got a green bar. It's struggling at an area, but this is where our market is just now trying to get made, and it's only within 9 penny range. So big deal. We're not getting that breakout, or we're not getting that short squeeze up higher, because we're not.